Hi! In this video, we will quickly make an appointlet for education, saving educators 1,000 plus hours a year. Our techs are saving 2 to 3 minutes per ticket on over 22,000 tickets a year. That adds up fast. Brad Immanuel, Director of CRC, Stanford University. Learning can be challenging enough. Make scheduling easy with Appointlet. Book stress-free office hours with students and their families. Create custom booking links for staff in any department. Allow students to easily schedule online classes and webinars. Track and manage your student data in one place. Create custom booking links for staff in any department. Customize your booking page to match your institution. Reduce no-shows with automated reminders and messages. Set up custom forms and collect information from students. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.